Shalom, everyone. Welcome to another episode with BahtKaleb Consulting. I am your host, Malka. Thank you so much for those who tune in. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Praise Yahweh. Today, we're going to go over how real estate builds retirement income and real estate investments explained. So go ahead, stay tuned, watch the entire video. You will learn something. Of course, Yahweh is first, so we are going to start off with a scripture. Ecclesiastes 11:2. Give a portion to 7 and also to 8, for though thou knowest not what evil shall be upon the earth. Do not depend on one source of income. Real estate is one of the most powerful diversification investments because it produces income, appreciation, tax advantages, and generational wealth. Yes. Why real estate builds wealth? Real estate has created more millionaires than almost any other investment. For those, of course, who didn't invest in Bitcoin. Why? Because it produced four types of wealth at the same time. First type is cash flow, money coming in every month from rent. Example, if the rent is 1,500, your expense on the property is $1,000, which is a mortgage, your cash flow is $500 per month. It's not a high amount, but guess what? You still own the property, right? And you're making money from it. Second is appreciation. Property values increases over time. Example, you buy a house for $200,000. The value in 10 years is $350,000. That's $150,000 in equity growth, and you have to learn how to use equity. Next, loan pay down. Tenants help pay off your mortgage. Over time, the tenant pay the loan and you keep the property. They're paying you to live in your property. You own it. You're making income off of it. You own the property. Tax advantages. Real estate offers powerful tax advantages. You're talking about depreciation, deductions, and capital gain advantages. Yes. And contact us at BahtKaleb Consulting and we can go more in depth with that for you. Now, I have part one and part two in this video. Part two, types of real estate investments. Rental properties. The most common method, you buy a property and rent it to tenants. Houses, duplexes, apartments, townhomes. Your goal is monthly cash flow, and that will help in retirement. Next, fix and flip. Buy a property below market value, renovate it, sell it for profit. Let's say you buy a house for $150,000. Repair costs $30,000. You sell it for $250,000. You just profit $70,000. That is a lot of advantages in fix and flip. Get into fix and flip. Short-term rentals. A lot of people do this now with Airbnb. Platforms like Airbnb allow short-term renting. Long-term rent, you'll get $1,400 a month. Short-term, $3,000 per month. It just requires more management, and you have a lot of places, a lot of people that will manage the Airbnb for you just for a small fee. So get into short-term rentals. That's money for your retirement. Commercial real estate. You're talking about office buildings, warehouses, shopping centers, malls. These can produce very large income streams. They just require more capital. But if you have excess capital, go into commercial real estate. All right. We specialize in business. Want to know where to invest? Contact us. BahtKaleb Consulting. If this helped you, subscribe to our channel. Go through the videos. We teach business structure, credit, and kingdom economics so you can build without bondage. All of the information we provide is valuable. Contact us at bahtkalebconsulting@gmail.com, consulting at bahtkalebconsulting.com, www.bahtkalebconsulting.com. Praise Yahweh as always. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Take this knowledge to better yourself and the nation as a whole. And look for part three.